Welcome to the personal property tour for 56 Anderson Street in Leven. This is a really spacious 2-bedroom upper maisonette. You've got 2 really spacious bedrooms. You've got a lovely sized lounge dining space. You've got that beautiful bay window as you can see, and it's got an inbuilt box seat as well. Really great. Good sized bathroom and a lovely bright kitchen. And I'm just going to take you on the tour. And this is the property here at the top, as you can see, and I'll just meet you upstairs. Hi there. So we access the property from a communal stairwell, and we're just going to head on in and I'll take you on the tour. So this is the property here. As soon as we come in, you'll see just how lovely and bright and spacious an area it is. I love the way the stairwell's designed. Really makes it look lovely and airy, doesn't it? And I'll meet you upstairs. So as we come upstairs, you can just see how lovely and bright and spacious that is. Looking back down again. But you've got a little added bonus here. So you've got all of this space here. So this would be great as a reading nook, perhaps a little home office area. But it's really quite a nice functioning space, isn't it? Offers a little bit extra. We're going to head into bedroom number 1. Lovely big spacious room. As you can see, isn't that nice? You've got freestanding here as well, but you can just see how long this is. Really is a terrific size bedroom. Lovely and bright and airy. You've got a cupboard here for storage. You've also got access to your attic space. If I come across here, you can just see it's such a lovely, nice large room, isn't it? Great space. So we're going to head on downstairs. And as we do so, you'll get another look at just how lovely and open it is up here. You can see it's nice and bright downstairs. And then we're going to head on in to bedroom number 2, which is straight ahead. And again, really great sized double room. Plenty of space for freestanding furniture as well. Love the picture rail. It's a lovely big room, isn't it? Again, really spoilt for space with these bedrooms. You've got a storage cupboard here, but they're a great size. And that's bedroom number 2. We'll head back out into the hallway, and then we're going to head on in to the lounge area. What a lovely room, isn't it? Just beautiful. Feels very tranquil, doesn't it? You've got the picture rail. I love this cornicing as well. As you can see, you've got this lovely bay window. You've got this inbuilt box seat as well. You've got a cupboard here. You also have a fireplace. It's just the way this room's been configured for the person that lives here. You could easily swap that around. It's a lovely size. Great views as well. It's nice and peaceful. It's a really large room. So you can see you're easily getting a good dining set in here if you wish. Because that's a large L-shaped sofa. There's still plenty of space. And that's your lounge area. It's lovely, isn't it? Good size. You've got cupboard storage under the stairs. You've got your kitchen, which is straight in here. And again, nice and bright. Got double windows, so nice and airy. Plenty of space for your freestanding furniture, as you can see. You've also got your integrated appliances with your oven, hob and extractor. But it's a good size, isn't it? Nice and bright with the 2 windows, as I say. And that's your kitchen space. And then straight along the hallway is the bathroom. Again, this is a really good sized room. Plenty of space in here. For an apartment bathroom, it really is offering lots of space. So you've got your bath, your electric shower, you've got your wash hand basin, your WC, but lots of space for storage as well. It's a really good sized room. It's lovely, isn't it? Nice space. And that is the bathroom. And again, you can just see how bright the hallways are. And we're going to head on back into the lounge, and I'll just do a wee recap for you. So this is number 56, Anderson Street in Leven. As you've seen, it's a really spacious 2-bedroom upper apartment. You've got this fantastic open plan dining lounge space, beautiful bay window with the box seat, nice place to relax and enjoy maybe some reading quiet time. Those bedrooms, what a size they are. So you've got 2 really super-sized bedrooms. You've got a lovely sized bathroom, nice bright kitchen. So quiet. It's also in a great location. Location-wise, you're literally round the corner, 2 minutes. You're at Leven High Street. You've got the centre for all the activities that has to offer. You've got the train station nearby, so great for commutes. You can walk to the retail park. So again, everything there on your doorstep. The high street's close by. You can go to the swimming pool, walk along that beautiful beach, the promenade. If you're into golf, golf courses in abundance in this location. But literally everything is within walking distance. But actually this is in a nice quiet area as well. It is the personal property tour. All of the details are in this post. If you're interested, you can message me here directly. Likewise, you can contact the team on 01333 421 774. And it's Perry at Fife Properties TV. Take care. Bye-bye.